Kot zna povedati Janez Škrabec, več kontaktov, več kontraktov. In v tem smislu seveda je tudi vsako srečevanje z tujimi veleposlaništvi zelo pomemben korak v temu, da lahko zbornica uresniči svojo vizijo, ki jo je zadala do leta 2025, v kateri smo si zamislili, da bomo od 32 milijard evrov izvoza v letu 2016 skočili na 50 milijard izvoza leta 2025. Tega ne moremo narediti sami brez vpetosti v mednarodno okolje. In današnji dogodek za srečanjem z tujimi diplomati ravno to. Utrjuje v bistvu temelje, ki jih že imamo sklenjene, s tem, kako se lahko navežemo na boljše poznavanje na razmere v drugih državah in seveda s tem, da odpremo tudi naša vrata še bolj njim, kajti izvoz in uvoz sta vedno povezana siamska dvojčka.
My impression on business cooperation is an excellent one. I think we are very close and very important partners for each other. I see that the figures are going up nicely, which is good to see. And when I see that, for example, our German investments here, if I compare to the times when I was here before in the late 90s, have much more also turned towards this qualitative aspect, set up also research structures and produce high quality output. So I think that we can be very, very confident on our cooperation.
You know, the Bangladesh is the second largest garments manufacturers in the world after China. And this is an area where Slovenian investors can even think of investing in Bangladesh. We can have close cooperation in the field of agriculture, in the field of education, in the field of infrastructure, where we need foreign investment. And Slovenian company also take part in the mega projects, which all of them are over $1 billion projects, to take part and to contribute to the economic development for Bangladesh as well as for Slovenia. As ambassador concurrently dealing with this country, I look forward to moving with a stronger ties between Bangladesh and Slovenia, and our embassy in Vienna offers all kind of support to this end, and I am confident that Slovenian business and industry could take advantage of the business climate that prevails in Bangladesh to attract foreign investment. And we do import a lot of goods from Europe, textile machineries and other technological products and technologies. So Slovenia, who is although a small country in size, but they offer good quality, I should say this kind of industrial products and the technology to the outside world. And Bangladesh can also benefit from that.
No to lahko povem, da sodelovanje na tem področju to je, mislim, najmočnejša panoga poljsko-slovenskih odnosov. Ekonomsko sodelovanje, čemu najboljša priča je, da imamo res impozantno trgovinsko menjavo, je, mislim, ta vidik, ki opredeljuje celotne odnose med našimi državama. In tukaj moram omeniti, da sem zelo zadovoljen s sodelovanjem med našim veleposlaništvom in gospodarsko zbornico Slovenije. Veliko sva naredila skupaj v prošlih letih in upam, da tudi v letu 2018 in v prihodnjih letih bomo nadaljevali to zelo uspešno sodelovanje.
We are here in this meeting in the Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Slovenia, where we are planning to have a business forum in next June during the OCA event. OCA is a World Company Award that GSM promotes previously in Samoris, in Russia and Lisbon, and June next it will be here in Ljubljana, Slovenia. I hope that I can see all of you here in our forum next June.